Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Keith in Kentucky, a Connex 3300 HP. Keith got you ready to go here. Tune alignment, Toshiba regulator. Also fixed the talkback. I don't know if it was this loud before, but after getting good modulation out of this, good forward bird average, it was blaring loud. So I'll let you hear it now. And static mic.
1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1.
All right. Flip that back off. I'll show you on low power, 25 watt slug, 2 watts. And if you're not going to run an amp at all, you can run it on high. There's 10 watts, and you still got plenty of forward bird swing. Low 20 bird average, 50 watt slug and peak. Low 50 watts PEP. Keith, it's ready to go, man. It's a pleasure, and I appreciate it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye-bye.